Hi Parrot Entertainment World
Presents.
Vanity is a bilingual sensational story digging deep into the psychology of human existence, presenting how big the world and its entailments mean to man, and how uncertain life could be. Indeed, life is full of surprises, and so is the play Vanity, full of surprises. Absolute fun and entertainment, love and its sweetness, beauty of the Yoruba culture, and its eminent display, comedy to calm your attention, well display action. The Yoruba traditions are very profound. The power of royalty. Written and produced by Hafiz Okbayemi High Parrot, directed by Israel Baba.